Hey guys, it's Miss Curry. Before we left, we were talking about two-digit addition and subtraction strategies. And I wanted to make a video to remind you of some of those strategies. So we're going to start with addition, and we're going to start with addition without regrouping. So we'll start with a problem. Let's say 23 plus 45. We have to figure out what that equals. So one of the easiest and most efficient, that means fast and accurate, strategies that we can use is just regular traditional strategy, where we stack those numbers on top of each other and then add the ones place and add the tens place. So I stack my numbers on top of each other. I make sure that my ones place are on top of my ones and my tens are stacked right on top of my tens. It's super important to get those lined up. Otherwise, you're going to be adding the numbers incorrectly. Okay, so 3 plus 5 equals 8. And 2 plus 4 equals 6. Easy peasy. My answer is 68. If you're not too fond of traditional and you like pictures to help you solve math problems, you can use base 10 blocks. Remember, for addition, we're going to draw the first number and add the second number to it to figure out how many tens and how many ones we have. So it looks a little bit like this. I'm going to start with 2 tens and 3 ones because that's my number 23. And I'm going to add 4 tens and 5 ones. And then I'm going to count up how many tens I have and count up how many ones I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. So those two numbers match. So I know I did it correctly. Another strategy that a lot of you liked to use when we were at school was the sidewalk strategy, where you look at the tens place and add those tens together, and you looked at the ones place and added those ones together after it. So that looks like this. I know that the 2 in 23 actually means 20. And I know the 4 in 45 actually means 40. So 20 plus 40 equals 60. Okay. Now I have to add my ones. I know that the 3 plus 5 equals 8. And when I put those together, I get my number 68. Okay. I'll do another strategy down here. We'll do number line strategy. In the number line strategy, you start with your start number, your first number, which is 23. And then you hop up tens first and then your ones. So I'm going to hop up 4 tens, which looks like this. 23 plus 10 equals 33, plus another 10 equals 43, plus another 10, 53, another 10 is 63. So I topped up 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. Now I have to hop up 5 ones. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. And then if I fill in my numbers, I should end up right at 68. I landed right on it. Okay. So those are 4 different strategies that you can use to help you solve two-digit addition problems without regrouping. You can use the exact same strategies for 3-digit problems. You just have to remember that the hundreds place is a new place. And there you go. Have fun.